Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Prius battery. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery. Always wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from electrical hazards. Make sure your Prius is completely off and the key is removed from the ignition before you begin any work. These initial steps are crucial for a safe and successful battery replacement. Now, let's access the hybrid battery. Begin by carefully removing the rear cargo area trim panels. This will expose the metal battery cover. Next, unbolt the metal cover and gently lift it off, setting it aside. The most critical step here is to locate the orange service plug. Pull this plug out firmly to completely disable the high voltage system, ensuring your safety during the next steps. With the high voltage disabled, you can now proceed with the removal. Disconnect all electrical connections and any cooling lines attached to the old battery. The hybrid battery pack is quite heavy, so use caution and proper lifting techniques as you unbolt and remove it from the vehicle. Once the old battery is out, carefully position the new battery in place and securely reconnect all electrical components and cooling lines. To complete the process, reinsert the orange service plug firmly. Then, carefully reinstall all the trim panels in the reverse order of removal, ensuring everything is secure. Finally, reconnect the 12-volt auxiliary battery to restore power to your vehicle. Remember, proper maintenance extends battery life. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.